I am doing research in the field of critical management studies. Specifically, I'm interested in the reproduction of social inequalities in organizations, and also I want to give voice to marginalized groups silenced by management practices. In the last few years, my research focus has been on diversity issues in the world of work, investigated through a critical lens. For example, I'm involved in a project discovering the lived experiences of entrepreneurs with disabilities in Hungary, how they cope with existing structural and cultural barriers. Recently, I have been interested in the role of AI in shaping inclusivity. Another unconventional project of mine was investigating how traditional gender roles and norms were reproduced through the rituals of the corporate Christmas party and how this regulative process is embedded in this post-socialist context. My approach aims to contribute to the emancipation of marginalized or underprivileged groups in organizations. In my view, ideally, in critical research, scientific and social contributions are not separable from each other. There is not much research done on the everyday experiences of entrepreneurs with disabilities. Giving voice to their stories uncover problems they face when becoming and performing as an entrepreneur. We developed several policy proposals about how we can support them in a better way. Also, it is important to acknowledge that in Central Eastern European countries, gender equality is in some aspects higher, but in some aspects lower, as in Western countries, due to its socialist legacy. Theorizing the ambiguities and controversies might inform organizations to change their practices and explain why a contextual business feminism might evoke resistance. I am personally enthusiastic about doing critical research because it opens up new vistas for bringing back the human into human resource management issues. This point of view reaches beyond the managerialist perspective. What really motivates me in doing critical diversity research is the opportunity to use the toolkit of science to advocate the interests of those who are less heard by managers and organizational decision makers.